In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your story archive on Facebook mobile app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to head over to menu. On a menu, tap Add that gear to move on to the settings and privacy. And then scroll down all the way until you find activity log, just underneath your activity. Once you get into activity log, tap at your activity across Facebook to expand it. Then scroll down to stories and then tap at manage stories. That's where we can easily find archive. Tap at archive and then story archive, and that's where we can easily find all our archived stories sorted in chronological order from recent to oldest. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.